And then there were 3. 9 weeks, 2 days, 3 dogs left. They still somehow make this yard very busy. There's a lot of barking and chewing and attacking. Lucky is aka Lucas, messing with the girls. Look at Vicious dogs. There we go. There you go. Who's king of the house? Yeah, it's Mr. Lucas. Bridgie here is just hanging out with a leaf. Yes. They're about to crash, take their morning nap. Mid-morning nap, I should say. But who wants to do it when you can chew on your brother and sister? That's the girls, Bridgie and Rach. Yep, vicious dogs. I hope they take a nap. I need a nap. Well, that's the mayhem.